Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making a delicious mango sabudana drink. Let's get started. In a pot on medium-high heat, add in your milk and bring to a boil. Then add your sugar. After the sugar is mixed in, we will then add a teaspoon of custard powder to a tablespoon of milk. Then we will add that mixture to the milk. Mix well and then set aside to cool. In another pot, we will start to boil our sabudana. Boil the sabudana until you see them become clear. Then you can rinse the sabudana with cold water and set aside. Next, we will soak our basil seeds in a bowl and keep aside for later. Afterwards, we will add our mango puree and our milk that we have made at the beginning into a blender. After the mixture is blended, add it to a large bowl. Then start to add your toppings. We are adding our soaked basil seeds, sabudana, mango chunks, crushed pistachios, and sliced almonds. Mix well and serve chilled. Try this refreshing summer drink on a hot summer day. Thanks for watching and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new recipes. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the bio.